Hi, this is Marquessa Petway, your business reinvention expert, and I'm here with my client, Karen Delk. And Karen is showing here the Reinvention Roadmap book, which provides steps and tools for your reinvention. A big reinvention that Karen came to me for. She's been in corporate for almost 20 years, or actually longer than 20 years.
Longer.
But she's been in the C-suite for 17 plus years.
Yes.
So now she's moving into entrepreneurship and wants to teach others how to get into that C-suite. So
Yes.
I'm excited to bring her into the entrepreneurial world as a speakerpreneur. And so phase one of that journey was her going through the Reinvention Roadmap. So I want Karen just to share a little bit about some of the steps that she experienced when she was in the Reinvention Roadmap.
Well, you can see it's well worn. I have pages sticking out. This was a great preview to the Speaker Blueprint series. It really helps you reshape your mindset and understand that you're about to embark on really reinventing yourself as an entrepreneur. I have done a lot of speaking as a corporate person, but to step out and become a speakerpreneur is new to me, so it was important for me to understand a little bit about my personality, about the personalities of others that I encounter, and to understand the direction. And really that's what the roadmap is all about. What direction am I taking? What's a good off-ramp to venture off into? And when should I get back on the road to reinventing myself? So this was a very important step, and I look forward to today, which is my private retreat with Marquessa. I looked at my vision for my business, and what today was all about was really implementation of that vision and setting a direction and a blueprint for the next 12 months to implement everything in manageable steps. So I am quite excited for what we accomplished today.
Oh, I am too, and I just wanted to close this little short video presentation by saying that the reason I included the Reinvention Roadmap as phase one for my Speaker Blueprint members is I didn't want to just dump them into the business part. I wanted them to first experience getting their mindset together, getting their life prepared for this reinvention, understanding, well, what does this mean for me? I mean, I was in corporate working for somebody else. I'm working for myself now. So they had to go through that step of regrouping. They had to reflect on their past. What's going to serve me coming from corporate to being an entrepreneur, and what is it not going to serve me? What are some things I'm going to have to learn that are new? How am I going to keep myself energized? How will I prioritize? I mean, Karen has a lovely family. She's a wife. She's a mother. So how can she take all of that and bring it into the world of being an entrepreneur? And this really gets her prepared for that. So today we got to spend a number of hours together just really literally writing down her plan. So she did this for 8 weeks, and then after she completed this, then she went into the Speaker Blueprint. So now we get to take the next 8 months and really build her business. So it's been a pleasure. I thank you for this opportunity and this chance to help you. And I've loved working with you so far. And it's interesting because Karen told me this marks the year that I've been on her radar.
That's right.
Her corporate organization brought me in as their business reinvention expert. And so she said, who is this chick? So she was on the calls from a corporate standpoint and decided to come and work with me privately. So I got a chance to sort of show her both sides, the corporate reinventor and the entrepreneur reinventor. So again, thank you so much for spending this time with us. We wanted to give you a look into what it's like to go through the Reinvention Roadmap and work in a program such as this, and we invite you to do this very same thing. Again, my name is Marquessa Petway. I'm your business reinvention expert, and I'm here with my lovely client, Karen Delk. Yes, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye now.